Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will see the topic browser crashes during Selenium automation. A browser crash means the browser closes unexpectedly while Selenium is running. In Selenium, a crash is usually seen as session becomes invalid, Selenium cannot send commands anymore, we get WebDriver exceptions like disconnected or session not found. Common real world reasons for browser crashes include browser and driver version mismatch, low memory or high CPU usage, heavy pages or too many tabs, unstable environments like CI servers, unexpected browser updates. In automation projects, we handle crashes by catching WebDriver exception, logging a clear message, cleaning up with quit method, relaunching the browser if required. Here in the sample script, we have done the same way by adding try catch block and handling using WebDriver exception. Now, I will show you a safe way to handle how it can be handled in real time. I will run the sample script. Selenium opens Cogmento and performs a basic operation. If the session gets disconnected, we catch the WebDriver exception and close resources properly. This is how we prevent the entire run from failing. Browser crashes handling helps keep Selenium runs stable and maintainable. If I press enter, application will be closed. So if you see, it did not print the message browser crash or disconnected detected because the application did not crash. If it has been crashed, we will know by using the catch exception, WebDriver exception.